Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube without a Google account. You can watch almost everything without signing in. Open YouTube in your browser or the app, search for videos, press play, change quality, enable captions, and use playback controls. To follow creators without subscribing, visit their channel page and use external links to Patreon, Instagram, or Twitter. For saving content, bookmark the video in your browser or copy the URL into a Notes app. Offline viewing requires YouTube Premium or the creator's official download link. If you want personalized recommendations, playlists, comments, likes, or uploads, you'll need a Google account, but you can create a separate account for privacy if you prefer. Avoid third-party download tools that violate YouTube's terms. Always respect creators' rights. That's it! Quick and practical ways to use YouTube without signing in and keep your privacy intact. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.